Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for March 10th, 2014. It is currently 4:53 a.m. and we have temperatures ranging quite a bit depending on where your location is, as we have the urban heat island in full effect. Outside of your urban areas, temperatures are generally in the upper 20s to lower 30s. However, within your urban areas, temperatures are in the upper 30s to even 40 degrees in some locations, showing that influence of that concrete throughout the region. I mean, that's pretty impressive. But definitely, temperatures are warming up above freezing, and by the time we get to sunrise, we'll be well above freezing in many locations, which means black ice will become less of a threat. So what do we have to look forward to? Well, it looks like we have quite a bit of rain coming towards the region for not only for tonight, but also for this upcoming weekend, as we have two areas of low pressure lift up from the Mississippi River Valley and the Gulf Coast towards the northern mid-Atlantic. On the radar, we're pretty much high and dry over the northern mid-Atlantic, but you could see our first storm organizing here over the Tennessee River Valley and Mississippi River Valley and lifting to the northeast. The majority of this rain will move through the region this evening on through early tomorrow morning, and then showers will linger on through tomorrow afternoon, looking at anywhere from a quarter to 3/4 of an inch of rain throughout the region for the most part. Not exactly a flash flooding threat, but again, with the snow and ice slowly melting, it will be a threat for some of that snow and ice blocking drains, leading to major ponding on the roadways and some localized flooding. Not to mention that some of the streams around here and the rivers are still frozen, leading to some complicated flash flooding threats as we deal with these rainfall events rather than snowfall events over the next couple of days. On the infrared satellite picture, you can see high pressure is slowly exiting out into the Atlantic, and low pressure is quickly lifting northeast towards the Tennessee River Valley and Ohio River Valley, and later towards the Mohawk River Valley in central New York. Let's take a look at our latest model guidance using the Penn State EWOL website. We're going to use the GFS model guidance this morning. And again, for today, clouds will slowly increase. Look for high temperatures in the mid-40s, with rain developing towards evening. For tonight, periods of rain expected, heavy at times. Looking at low temperatures in the mid to upper 30s, clearly above freezing. This is an all-rain event. For tomorrow, showers will linger on into the afternoon. Look for high temperatures in the lower to mid-50s, melting that snowpack rather significantly. Don't be surprised to see some areas of fog with all this warm air moving over what is still a substantial snowpack throughout the region. For Thursday, high pressure will be in control, and that means scattered cloud cover for the most part, a few clear skies as well. Temperatures ranging from the upper 20s to lower 30s over the interior, lower to mid 30s along the coast. High temperatures in the upper 40s to lower 50s. Again, there will be a threat for some low clouds and fog with these warm temperatures over that snowpack, especially in the mid-morning hours. For Friday, we'll have clouds increase throughout the day as our area low pressure organizes over the Mississippi River Valley. Look for low temperatures in the mid-20s over the interior, upper 20s to lower 30s along the coast, high temperatures in the mid-40s. On Friday night, rain will approach the region. Now, this low pressure system may start off with a little bit of sleet and freezing rain over the far northern interior and for some higher elevations, especially where you have a very deep snowpack. However, this is, again, primarily a rain event. Those cold temperatures will rapidly be overwhelmed. I mean, the low temperatures on Saturday morning generally throughout the region will be in the upper 30s to lower 40s. But if you're in those elevations above 1,000 feet, there is an isolated chance of seeing some sleet developing before changing over to pure rain at the start of the storm. Very brief period, we're talking maybe less than 3 hours, if that. And then periods of moderate to heavy rain thereafter. I'm not looking for any type of frozen precipitation accumulation. This is primarily a heavy rain event for Saturday. And when I say heavy rain, I'm very concerned about flash flooding with this low pressure system on Saturday, especially Saturday afternoon and evening, where we could see over an inch of rain on top of a melting snowpack, on top of frozen ground, and also frozen riverbeds in some locations. And that, of course, is going to point to the potential for some significant flash flooding. Also want to point out that our polar jet stream is pretty much positioned well to our north. This is pretty much a storm driven by the subtropical jet stream to our south, and just some minor influences from the polar jet stream with the disturbance diving south, and our low pressure system tracking to the west of the region, all pointing to a warm and wet forecast for this weekend. High temperatures on Saturday in the lower to mid 50s. Temperatures on Sunday will remain mild as our low pressure system moves through the region. Showers will exit on Sunday morning, with a few lingering showers into the afternoon. For the most part, we're dealing with a air mass that is modified Pacific. Okay, so we're looking at low temperatures again in the upper 30s to lower 40s, high temperatures in the upper 40s to lower 50s. On Monday, high pressure will be in control with scattered cloud cover and temperatures pretty much seasonable for this time of year. Upper 20s to lower 30s over the interior, mid to upper 30s along the coast for lows, high temperatures in the lower to mid 50s. That is your forecast discussion for today. Of course, I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino. Thank you for following NY and JPA weather, and as always, stay safe out there.